मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। गलती की नहीं जाती, हो जाती है। मिस्टेक जस्ट हैपन्स, इट इज़ नॉट मेड टू हैपन। मिस्टेक जस्ट हैपन्स, इट इज़ नॉट मेड टू हैपन। अच्छी दोस्ती सबके हिस्से में नहीं आती। Good friendship does not come to everyone. Good friendship does not come to everyone. जूता बहुत तंग है. Pair of shoes is very tight. Pair of shoes is very tight. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया. My mouth began to water. My mouth began to water. चलो मुंह मीठा करो. Let's sweeten your mouth. Let's sweeten your mouth. मुझे भड़काना बंद करो. Stop provoking me. Stop provoking me. मैं तुम्हारी कसम खाता हूँ. I swear by you. I swear by you. अपनी भावनाओं पर काबू रखो. Control your emotions. Control your emotions. यह अनजाने में हुआ. It was done unknowingly. It was done unknowingly. यह आपकी गलती नहीं थी. It was not your fault. It was not your fault. मैं बस इतना कह सकता हूँ. Only this I can say. Only this I can say. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not do that. You should not do that. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Don't look at me like this. Don't look at me like this. वक्त रहते सुधर जाओ. Mend your ways before the day is out. Mend your ways before the day is out. मैं तुम्हारे नखरे अब और नहीं झेल सकता. I can't tolerate your tantrums anymore. I can't tolerate your tantrums anymore. आ सको तो आना. Come if you can. Come if you can. हम तुम्हें बुलाने ही वाले थे. We were about to call you. We were about to call you. राधे उसे पकड़ने वाला था. राधे was about to catch him. राधे was about to catch him. अब मैं जाने वाला हूँ. Now I am about to go. Now I am about to go. वह हमारे खिलाफ कुछ करने वाले हैं. They are about to do something against us. They are about to do something against us. वह मुझे बताने ही वाला था. He was about to tell me something. He was about to tell me something. बिजली जाने ही वाली थी. The light was about to go. The light was about to go. घर में आग लगने ही वाली थी. The house was about to catch the fire. The house was about to catch the fire.